Hey friends, it's Gabby back here in front of you, and today I will be doing my nighttime skincare routine. Before I start this video, I wanted to make a quick shout out and mention that this video is in partnership with GoSelly. GoSelly kindly sent me this product, which is the Graymelin Oxygen Bubble Mask Pack Cleanser. So yeah, I just wanted to say thank you so much GoSelly for continuously supporting me and continuously reaching out to me and sending me such amazing products. So before I actually start showing you guys my skincare routine, I wanted to show or talk about the product first because I feel like it's important. And yeah, so when I first got it, it was in a box, but it was like deformed, and also it didn't have a plastic cover on it, so some of the product spilled over. The box was soaked, and so I threw it away, which is why it's not here. And also I've been using it quite often ever since I got it. I'm like right around here now because it's a good product. But before that, the main properties in this product is that mainly it has coenzyme 10, collagen, vitamin E acetate. Those three ingredients are all good for preventing signs of aging such as wrinkles, so it's a really good product. It also doesn't get rid of your natural oils on your skin, so that is something a lot of cleansers do. They get rid of your natural oils and it makes your skin feel really dry after using it, which by the way isn't that great for you because it's getting rid of your natural oils. So you are likely to get irritations, or your skin would become more vulnerable to the environment and whatnot. It also claims to double as an oil-based cleanser and a water-based cleanser, basically double cleansing. But when I used it, kind of didn't really get rid of mainly my mascara, but I think it's because it's waterproof. Like my mascara is waterproof, which is why it didn't get rid of that. But other stuff like eyeliner, concealer, and CC cream, it got rid of it. So this really is an interesting one. And also it bubbles up when you use it, which I will show in a while. So yeah, but with that being said, with information with this cleanser, you'll see what I'm talking about. And yeah, let's head on to my bathroom and show you guys my skincare routine. So welcome to my bathroom. I really worked hard on this setup. I'm gonna wear my headband. I got this from Amazon for like $1 or $2, I think. Oh, by the way, I just got back from work, so I'm really exhausted, and I have a little bit of makeup, so yeah. And also I'm breaking out a little bit, or a lot. I only have waterproof mascara and lipstick on. So here's the product. Took off my glasses. I'm gonna put it on my hand, and it has this it's a translucent kind of thing, and basically just put it all over your face. It's not even a minute yet, but it's bubbling up a lot. Honestly, this kind of product is really unique, and I haven't really known or discovered any other product like this, so it's really cool. So you don't have to leave it on for super long. If you leave it on for 30 seconds and then wash it off, but basically you gotta cut it like this, pop the bubbles and then massage it on your face or something. So there we go, it's all washed out now, and as you can see, I can still feel some chunks of mascara on my eyelashes. But yeah, the cleanser is really hydrating. It doesn't really make your skin dry, but as you can see, I think hopefully you can see this, it has a certain amount of mascara on. It didn't really get rid of it. So yeah, but I understand because it's waterproof. Now we move on to toner. I use this Neutrogena one. It's blue and it's alcohol free. So I let it dry like this if it's if my skin hasn't absorbed the toner yet. And then I move on to this spray from Minnesota I got from Canada, but it's aloe vera, made of aloe. Yeah, I also just fan my face like that, or sometimes I tap it like this, but either one, as long as it dries as fast as it could. So the next step is usually eye cream, but I think I left it upstairs, so I think I'll do that later. After that is moisturizer. Basically I put it on my entire face. This one's from Neutrogena and it's also oil free. The thing I like about it is that it's not in a pot. This is my last step, and it's basically just putting on acne cream on my face on the spots where I break out the most. And that is my skincare routine. So that wraps up my nighttime skincare routine. Once again, thank you GoSelly for kindly sending me the Graymelin product. I extremely love it. They do not pay me to make these kinds of videos, by the way, if I haven't mentioned yet. They just kindly send me the products, ask me to do an honest review, and this is it. So overall, I really like the product. Before I started using this product, my skin was really dry, and I could feel it dry, and I didn't know what to do. So I tried using this because I just received it, and I was kind of scared actually when I got it. But ever since I used it, my skin started to become more hydrated and more balanced. So I think it really helped my skin in like becoming better. I mean, right now my skin is kind of bad right now, even though I have a little bit of breakouts, but it really helped because I used to have like small bumps and whatnot, but it disappeared. I give it a 9.5 out of 10 because it works on my skin. I didn't get any allergic reactions. I've been using it for weeks. So I think I trust this a lot, and I think I would buy it again. The only con about it is how I received it. That's pretty much like the reason why I didn't give it a 10. But yeah, that's the main flaw. Other than that, the packaging is cute. It has simple ingredients. It's good for your skin. So it's a win-win situation. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Thank you once again, GoSelly, for always trusting me for my opinions. It means a lot. So yeah, I think that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Give it a like if you did. This is my skin, by the way. Real and raw, no makeup, no lip tint, no nothing, just my raw self. If you're new here, I'm Gabby. I'm a 16-year-old YouTuber, and I make fashion, beauty, lifestyle, and travel videos. So if you like that stuff, go hit subscribe. Probably see like videos like this or vlogs, talks about life and other stuff. So yeah, anyway, I hope you guys liked this video. I'll leave a link to this product as well as GoSelly down below. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!
거칠은 폭풍 우디 햇살 비치듯이